Good morning guys, my name is Lucy. Today I want to tell you about coronavirus. Coronavirus is a group of viruses that carry diseases and attack animals or humans. There are several viruses that cause respiratory infection. From the usual ones like the flu and more severe ones like Middle East Respiratory Syndrome and Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. Then, what is COVID-19? The novel coronavirus 2019, known as COVID-19, is a new type of coronavirus that was first discovered in early January in Wuhan, China. As reported by Johns Hopkins University, there were 156,112 infected, 73,955 had recovered, and 5,829 died. If seen from the data, the comparison of people who have recovered with those who died is quite far, because only 2 to 3% of deaths are caused by the virus. If we compare it with previous diseases such as MERS and SARS, where the percentage of deaths could reach 40%, the COVID-19 virus is not too scary. Symptoms of these diseases are almost the same as the symptoms of flu, but they are different. Among them, fever, dry cough, fatigue, sputum production, shortness of breath, muscle or joint pain, sore throat, headache, chills, vomiting, nasal congestion, diarrhea, coughing of blood, and conjunctival congestion. The symptoms are notified by the World Health Organization. The incubation period for the virus according to WHO for 1 till 14 days, while according to the CDC for 2 till 14 days. This virus can survive in inanimate object for 9 days if the ambient temperature is no more than 30 degrees Celsius, and this virus cannot survive in the air. However, we still have to be vigilant with the virus. A small percentage of deaths is one of the factors this virus can spread easily. This virus can also spread to various groups, start from the baby, young children, adolescents, adults, to the elderly. The inauguration of the coronavirus into the global pandemic, of course, makes us more panic. By living healthy, we can avoid the virus. How? The first, wash your hands with soap properly. If there is no soap, you can use a hand sanitizer. The second, using a mask. Third, eat the healthy food. 4. Do regular exercise. 5. Regular sleep from 8 until 9 hours. 6. Avoid direct contact with people. 7. Do not travel outside the home. So far, the government has handled corona by closing the school and universities. Don't use this opportunity for a vacation, because the government is operating this policy to minimize the spread of the virus, instead of increasing the spread of the virus. Thanks for your attention and goodbye.